In this video, we're going to talk about how to use gov.uk ID Check app. Now, if you need to prove your identity online in the Check app, here's a step-by-step guide on how it works. So listen carefully as I explain each step since it's only available to UK. Now, first, you'll need to download the gov.uk ID Check app from the App Store or Google Play. So once it's installed, open the app and carefully read the instructions before starting. So you'll also need to have your biometric passport ready since the app uses it to confirm your identity. And next, the app will guide you through scanning your passport. So you'll be asked to take a clear picture of the photo page. So making sure all our four corners of the document are visible and there's no glare. After that, the app will use your phone's NFC technology to read the chips inside your password. So just place the back end of your phone against the passport cover and hold still until it completes the scan. And once your passport is verified, the app will ask you to take a selfie or record a short video to match your face with the passport photo. And follow the on screen prompts to making sure you're in good lighting and looking directly into the camera. So when all the checks are complete, the app will confirm your identity has been verified. So you can then return to the gov.uk service you were using and continue your application or task. And that's it. So by downloading the gov.uk ID check app, scanning your passport, and completing the face verification, you'll be able to securely prove your identity online in just a few minutes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.